We have two awesome sports cars that feature low output 4-cylinder engines, but they both have the important part, and that is
great handling.
That and a 6-speed manual transmission.
And yes.
Okay, so we have a Toyota 86 GT over here, and I gotta tell you guys, the best manual transmission I've ever driven. It is a short shift.
That's a bold statement.
That's impressive.
That's a bold statement.
Toyota should put this transmission in the freaking minivans that they sell. It is an amazing transmission. It's short throw, close reach.
Stick shift minivan.
You would love it.
The Mazda MX5 also has a very nice short throw stick. It's actually got a real, reminds me a lot of the Mustang shifter. It's got that notchy feel. Yep. You know what gear you're going into, you know what I mean? Very nice transmission. The clutch is actually really, really nice. Reminds me a lot of the Focus RS. That real low clutch, you know, touch point. Like you just flick your foot and it's like you're engaged.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a linear, more of a linear clutch, and it catches right in the middle. It's really like the perfect spot. Now, the problem with these cars is that this has got I've got 200 horsepower.
The problem is they're slow.
Well, so I've got 200. How many do you have, Chris?
155. I actually think that Usain Bolt could beat this car in a quarter mile.
Probably. Yeah, he is pretty quick. Now, I have the problem beyond horsepower is I only have 140 foot-pounds of torque, basically. I think it's 141.
Yeah, I think this is very similar. I don't remember exactly what the numbers, but it was so low it barely registered with me.
Yeah, it doesn't throw you back in the seat.
No. The idea with these cars is keep them up in the gears as you're going through the turns.
That all being said, let's go check these out on the racetrack.
Oh, absolutely. Let's have some fun.
Oh, I'm flat right now, right through there. Oh, that was good. That was good. This thing is rated at chicane. Holy cow. I went in third gear, and I could stay flat right from the middle on. It actually feels, pickup feels good. It doesn't feel as slow as the numbers would say.
This 86 ain't bad, but I think I like the handling of the Miata better.
Oh, and it transitions, even though it's got that body lead, it transitions its weight very well.
All right, now braking, going through. Yeah, baby!
Hell yeah! Here we go. Oh, man, I'm catching up to you. You ain't got nothing on this thing. What are you doing with that 45 horsepower?
Oh, a little slide there.
Oh, this thing needs an exhaust so I can hear what's going on. Or a head-up display. Oh yeah, that thing has no gas in it, sorry.
Go by, go by.
Third gear. Now watch this. Kind of slow to start, but get on it. Now it's floored. All the way through here, down. Still got it floored, still got it floored, still got it floored. Little bit of brakes. Floored. Flat.
There we go, yeah! Coming for you, Brendan. I'm coming for you.
I totally get why people buy these cars.
I only have one more lap in me. This thing's gonna be out of gas.
Holy moly.
Yeah!
Turn it the other way. Oh yeah. Oh, hit the rev limiter.
Dude, my tires are just screaming. All right, hey, I gotta come in. I gotta come in. This thing is about to die. There's no gas.
Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.